Today we're looking at installing the shock eye bushing with the DIY MTB Shock bushing tool. The tool has a couple of parts. This is the main part, the body, which has a hole in one end and it's flat at the other end. So the hole is for taking the bushing out. The bushing goes into that socket on the back when you're actually pushing up to that back when you're putting it in. The other parts are the bolt, which is an 8mm bolt with a nylon washer. If the nylon washer wears or is broken, you can use a used Fox crush washer, works fine. The final part are the drivers for each of the types of bushings. So this is a half-inch bushing for a half-inch DU. It's found in Fox and most others. Fits on there. You've also got a driver for 12mm DU bushings, as found in Manitou, Older X-Fusion and some specialised shocks. And finally we have the half-inch, the driver for the half-inch needle rollers that are coming into fashion at the moment. What we're going to do today is remove the half-inch bushing out of this shock and replace it. So we'll be needing the half-inch bushing driver there, the bolt, which we need to put a little bit of grease on first, so just a dab of grease, just like slick honey or similar, and we're threading the bolt into the open end of the body, of the tool body. You can see we're doing this in the bike because once the mounting hardware has been removed, it's been unbolted, the tool only requires the use of a 6mm Allen key. The bushing is removed. Now in this case we're just going to reinstall the same bushing since it's a brand newie. To install it, basically we do the same things. We put the bushing onto the driver. Now the split in the bushing should be not in line with the shock, so we don't want it here or here, so in this case we'll actually put it so it's facing upwards, which is out of the line of the shock. Line all this up and thread the flat end of the tool onto the bolt. Again, 6mm Allen key. And it's that easy. This is dropping the tool. If you find that it's tighter than hard to put in, it's probably because you've forgotten to lube the thread. From experience, that seems to be the thing that makes it hardest.